What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. This is Big Money Mindset. Pleased to bring you another video here today. And in today's video, we're going to be going over one of the Spac stocks that have just been pushed to the side for the past couple of months, especially around elections, and that is Opendoor IPOB. This is a real estate company, and they make some big money. And this stock finally looks like it is starting to build up some steam. And everyone that has been with me, following me, knows I've been pretty bullish on this one for a while. We're going to take a look and see where this company is headed in the near future. And once again, I want to say congratulations to everyone that signed up for the Patreon. The link is in the description. We have been making millions of dollars in call options these past couple of months on tons and tons of variety of companies. And I'm going to be showing you guys what's going on in my Patreon right now before we get into the video with IPOB. Alright guys, so basically this is my Patreon website. This is where I do my VIP call options updated weekly. We do 4 updates a month. So at the end of the week, I want to hear an overview just to see how we're doing. I said what options is treating you the best that you're still holding on to, what are the profits, and what are the percentages currently. We can see XPEV up 133%, fuel cell up 180%, Neo 1,166%. I'm not making this up, guys. Sold 2 of my Neo contracts for 6,500, almost a 700% gain. Up 25,000 in 2 weeks, 1,200% gain. I mean, guys, this is just insane. SBE sold today for around 5,000% gain. Neo up 500%. Total return 800%. Guys, I mean, Palantir 130%. Guys, as you can see, I mean, my Patreon is doing ridiculous numbers that, no other YouTube is doing on the platform right now. The call options I'm putting out are legit rocket fuel. People are making an absolute killing in the market. And I just want you guys to understand, I mean, this is some serious stuff. And people are beginning to grasp call options very quickly in my Patreon. And as you can see with the numbers, this stuff is serious. So once again, the link is in the description. I do updated weekly calls for people. And right now I'm going to show you some baby rocket fuel gains that is beginning to boil up with IPOB that I've been very bullish on for the past couple of weeks. IPOB, this is the Opendoor Spac merger that is going to be happening right around mid-December. So this one in the past month has been building up. It dropped all the way down to $15 during elections, and I think they did hit a high of $27. But even right now at that $23 range, this company is very undervalued compared to other competitors such as Redfin and Zillow. Obviously, IPOB is a little bit different. We'll go into some of the advantages the company has, but I just want you guys to understand this company right here has a market cap right now of $1 billion. The deal is set to be over $4 billion, once it's completed. That's what they're valuing the deal at, about $4 billion. And the company, right now, the market cap is nearly $1 billion. And some of these call options right now, I put a lot of money in call options, nearly I put about $5,400, right around, 5,000 in call options. You can see I'm already up 29%. This is an early option that I'm getting on, and everyone in my Patreon is already on this. We're already starting to see these baby rocket fuel gains, and $1,600 profit, almost 30%. That's not bad. Just to take a look real quick, another company that we've been holding on to, as you can see in all those comments on my Patreon, this is the Neo stock. We've been playing call options on this one for 3 months, so that's what I want you guys to understand. This is not a get rich in a week. This is just, patience. These call options take a little bit of patience. And this one right now, I mean, guys, we're up 800% on this one almost. 750, nearly 13,000 in profits off of, a $1,000, $1,500 investment. So $13,000 in gains off $1,500. That's very solid. But as you can see, the IPOB is just beginning to boil up. It's beginning to run. And this has a lot of room to go at a $1 billion market cap. And I just want you to look at some of the other competitors. We got Redfin right now. 2019, they're doing around $780 million in revenue, okay? $780 million. Okay, just remember that number. Okay, we'll take a quick look at Redfin just to see what the stock's hovering around. That's still some solid revenue, $780 million. Redfin right now, sorry, the Wi-Fi is running a little slow. We're right around $48, okay? So right now, Redfin is nearly doubled what IPOB is at, and we can take a look at IPOB's revenue just to get, just to see where their revenue is at right now. So we can see that Opendoor had a revenue of nearly $4.74 billion. Yeah, they had a little bit of a net loss of $300 million, but that is some crazy revenue. That's nearly 5 times more than Redfin did last year. So almost $5 billion in revenue. That's absolutely insane. And it's nearly doubled, what IPOB is currently. So the IPOB deal is set around a $5 billion deal. I think it was 4.5 billion maybe. Let's see. 4.8 billion is what it says as far as, what the company's valued at once the merger completes. We'll just take a look at one more real quick. Just to get a look at some of what they're doing is what the stock price is. Zillow right now. Let's see. Zillow is nearly $106 stock. $24 billion market cap. And we can see Zillow's revenue is close to half of what IPOB is doing. So they're at $2.7 billion in revenue, and the stock price is 5 times more than IPOB is valued at right now, and the market cap is 25 times more. So guys, all I'm saying is IPOB right now is undervalued, okay? I'm not saying it's a $500 stock, $200 stock. What I've been telling my people and my Patreon members is give this a little bit of time, and this stock is going to hit nearly $40, $50 in the next couple of months. Once this merges, more big banks and big investors will feel more confident investing in a Spac stock. So that's what you have to understand. There's not a lot of investing going on in Spac stocks because a lot of people are new to Spac stocks. But we can see that there is some bigger companies out there investing in IPOB in the early stages. We know ARK bets big on IPOB. ARK investing, I mean, they have some of the craziest stock percentage gain performances in all their portfolios. I mean, they're doing insane numbers. So they do know how to pick stocks very well. But that's just insane how much confidence they have in this company. And they have been really hammering in right around that $18, $19 range. That's when they were really buying in. So right now, IPOB is nearly, 24 bucks, somewhere around that range. You can go the route of just purchasing a normal stock, playing it safe over the long term, or you can purchase call options. My call options that I'm putting in for my Patreon members, we do long call options to make sure we have good backup and safety, once the market, if the market gets a little rough. So we have a lot of time on these call options. You guys saw in the beginning of the video, those numbers are absolutely insane. When I say millions of dollars, I mean millions of dollars in profit. So this company, I'm very bullish. It's one of the call options I'm buying into. I've been buying into it for 2 months. I was down a little bit, and now you can see I'm already, heading towards $2,000 in gains. The NEO options, I'm up $13,000 in gains. Guys, it's all about being patient and timing when it comes to call options. We can see Opendoor accelerates the home selling timeline from 3 months to less than a week. Cuts home selling costs from 10% plus to 6%, saving money on the deal. Quicker timing, solidifying the deal. Reduces hassle so that the selling a home becomes an easy process. Improves visibility and reliance. So guys, they have a lot of benefits, compared to, regular real estate agents like that handle Zillow and Redfin. I mean, you can see the numbers in revenue is just insane. Doubled Zillow, 5 times Redfin, and they're still growing rapidly. The CEO, Chamath, he is expecting a 10x in this company. I expect, this stock could potentially hit $100 sometime, later next year. It is definitely possible, but I still think in the short term, this is a fair valued stock, $40, $50, and it doesn't seem like a lot when you're buying the normal stock, but when you're buying call options, you're talking big money when a stock goes from $20 to $50. You're talking big money. So there's a lot going for this company. ARK Investing, Chamath is definitely a bullish. He expects a 10x in the near future. The stock has had a lot of resilience, even when the elections was at its worst. So I just want you guys to understand this company. I've already did a video. If you go on my YouTube, you'll see videos. I was doing on this video 2 months ago, and that's when I've been buying into it. And I've been holding, just relaxing, waiting for this company to take off. And it looks like a lot of people also on YouTube are beginning to get bullish. And this is a great company. I really like it. Do your research. Just understand, I do invest in regular stocks, and I also invest in call options. But this channel, I'm telling you, is the #1 call options channel on all of YouTube. So once again, if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. I also did a video on IPOB Opendoor a couple of months ago. And I just want you guys to understand this stock is beginning to run. And I want you to keep it on your radar because this could be a big opportunity in the next upcoming months, even in the short term. So I expect this company to be a great company in the short term as well as the long term. So once again, I really do appreciate it. I'm Kyle. This is Big Money Mindset. Hope you enjoy your day.